G'day, so basically just recently acquired this lathe, fairly cheap, of course, cheap has its problems, but basically what I can tell is 1956, I take it, Selsons lathe. It's about 8 foot long altogether, so say 6 foot bed maybe, probably less, probably 5 foot. Oh, don't like my American measurements. From what I can see, I should probably measure it, but 3513 seems to be the only sort of internet operations I can see. Yep, they're excited. Yeah, it needs a few things. Everything's moving happily. Saying that as it's not moving happily, but it's out of gear, of course. Needs a few things, but need to make some or buy some decent tooling. Didn't really come with much. Couple of sort of homemade job. Doesn't seem very hard. Used them a little bit, but they're about 35 centimeters long, so a bit over a foot. Have to sort that out because tooling usually helps, but it seems to be just the right size for the shed. Yeah, we had a smaller one, but small, cheap, Chinese. Yeah, not very good at sort of anything. Maybe plastics, but don't really do a lot of plastics. Yeah. Hopefully it's new home for a while. So a couple of sort of measurements. So you got about 180 mil sort of usable with this on. It seems like that would unbolt, so you could probably get say another 100 mil. So 100 mil, yeah. Because this whole machine's in metric, we might, not metric, metric would be too easy. Imperial, so say 7 inches, sort of usable. And then if we got that, took that sort of out, it wouldn't really have a lot of room, but maybe a pulley. You get quite a decent sized pulley at, I don't know, maybe, what's that? I'll say 11 inches, don't think you could quite get a foot all the way up there. But it's basically 1.3 meters long, 1300. That's 4.5 foot, I guess. There is a few things wrong with it. So basically you're gonna have to try and adjust this screw because that's not much good. This guy also has a bit of play. It's a bit hard to sort of see. There's not a lot there, but it is there. The lighting for me is super awesome at the moment. There you go. You can engage shake cam, I suppose. So there is a little bit. Hopefully, I can get it out of. Well, hopefully this one. A bit of adjusting on the screw. Yeah. Haven't really done a whole lot, but hopefully it cleans up alright. Well, you see, I've done a little bit, but really need some better tooling. Tooling's, well, yeah, bit average. Not at the right height too. It's sitting way down. Did come with a nice little Armstrong. Number 2S. In Chicago, USA, on a English lathe in Australia. Also the what would you call it, feed screw. It's not very happy. It's not going into gear. Of course, can do it via old mate big turny wheel, but it would be nice. There's a bit of gunk in there. This guy's spinning fine. Pretty sure it times off that. So it's somewhere behind you. Where? That's a good question. So much nicer than the new cheaply built lathes. Everything's turning really nice. Did actually come with a set of the gears. So if I can get the feed working, we'll be able to thread in Imperial. Cute little oiler it come with. That's made a mess, so you can't really see that bit, but it's alright. I'm going to rewire it again. Basically, going to wire the motor into old mate. There. So that'll be the on-off for the motor. So when you turn this on, that'll go into a standard power point because of legal reasons. It will turn the light on and hopefully the coolant pump when I fix that up and get it working, maybe with a little 12 volt pressure pump. And a separate reservoir of some sort, little bucket or something. Basically, it suck it up that tube, comes up all the way down, up onto a sort of operation on here, and drip coolant out and go everywhere, and hopefully back down the hole into the sump. There is a grate for that somewhere. Has to follow me everywhere. But anyway, yeah. Actually, NSK bearings, reasonably well made. All the add-ons, not as cool as having a sort of overhead big shaft going through the ceiling, but a bit easier to start and stop. Bloody puppies everywhere. Yeah, I'll keep you updated.